website and mobile app. The breakdown of reported issues is roughly as follows: 49% website issues, pages not loading, connection timeouts, or errors while generating responses. 49% app issues, app freezing, crashing, or showing something went wrong. 2% login problems, failed authentication or endless loading when signing in. Common causes: temporary server outages or maintenance, app or web update bugs causing instability, high traffic leading to slow or failed responses, verification or subscription mismatch for premium users, network connectivity issues or corrupted cache. How to fix Grok not working. 1. Check service status. The most common reason is a server-side outage. Wait a few minutes and try again. 2. Restart or reinstall the app. If using the mobile version, close it completely and restart. If it still doesn't work, uninstall and reinstall the app. 3. Clear cache and data. On mobile, settings, apps, Grok, storage, clear cache and data. On PC, clear browser cache and cookies. 4. Log out and log in again. This refreshes session tokens that can sometimes cause the app not responding issue. 5. Switch network. Try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa to rule out a local connection issue. 6. Disable VPN or firewall. Sometimes VPNs or firewalls block servers and trigger connection errors. 7. Wait for update fix. If the issue started after a new app or web update, it may be a global bug being patched by the developers. Summary: problem, possible fix. Website not loading, clear browser cache, check connection, app freezing, crashing, reinstall app, clear app cache. Login issue, relog, reset session, verification failed, wait or retry later. General errors, restart device or switch connection. Would you like me to create SEO